Missing meals, missing deliveries, poor customer service, non-response is ubiquitous throughout Sakara. It is part of the way in which they do and conduct business. And so I can no longer recommend them. Hi guys, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. All right, today is a little bit of a different spin, and I'm very sad to have to say that I can no longer recommend Sakara plant-based meal delivery. Now, if you follow me, a lot of you know that I have been recommending Sakara for quite a while because I love their philosophy of clean, non-processed, organic, plant-based, vegan meal delivery. However, even though I am a Sakara affiliate, which as you know means if you order through any of my affiliate links, I am paid a small commission at no additional expense to you. I cannot recommend them and I do not advise to purchase from them. And let me tell you why. With Sakara, they fail on two fronts. First and foremost, reliability, which is huge. If you order meal delivery, it's probably for a few reasons. You want the convenience and the efficiency and the time saver of not having to cook your own meals. At random and without explanation, we just simply won't receive a delivery for one of us. These past 2 weeks, it's happened twice, where my husband simply just doesn't receive his meals, and it happened again today. He just simply didn't receive the meals despite being charged for it. This has happened with Sakara more times than I care to say. And here's the thing with customer service. If you call their 1-800 number, rarely if ever will you ever get a live body. That leaves their email system. When you email them, it may take anywhere from 1 to 2.5 days to get any kind of a response from them. When you do, their customer service rep, who I believe they only have one, and her name's Kelly. Kelly clearly doesn't read her emails because she doesn't answer the questions that you have. When you respond with the corrected information, you're now not getting another response for another 2 days. When we have missing meals or a missing delivery, what I would really like is for them to overnight it to us, because like you, we're extremely busy. And if you're ordering a meal delivery service, you plan on having those meals throughout the week. When they don't show up, you're now left in a position of having to figure out what you're going to have for lunch or dinner, which doesn't sound like a big deal, but listen, if we had the time to do that, we wouldn't be forking out for Sakara, no pun intended. Their remedy for missing deliveries, missing meals is, oh, then we just won't charge you for that. Okay, I don't know about you, but I don't expect to be charged for missing product. Secondly, it's not the money. It is the inconvenience and the hassle of having to deal with them. I eventually had to call American Express and dispute the charges because I wasn't getting any help from Kelly at customer service. Positions themselves as a luxury plant-based brand. Well, luxury in my mind, and I know in yours, is a high bar. It doesn't just mean the quality of the product, it also means the execution and the customer service. At anywhere from $30 to $34 per meal, yes, $30 to $34 per meal, I expect customer service, I expect my meals to be delivered, and I expect them on time and in perfect shape. And if in the event they are not, I expect customer service to remedy it very, very quickly. For a high quality luxury product that I feel is worth it, I have no problem paying for it. But when it feels like you've basically gone through a discount retailer and they could care less if you receive the product, nope, I am not giving them my business. My mother has also been a Sakara subscriber. She encountered the same issues, randomly missing deliveries, no response from customer service. I also have 4 independent friends and acquaintances who have had the same issue with Sakara, as you may imagine. I mean, certainly they're not picking on Shelli Pelly and deciding not to deliver my meals. It's ubiquitous, and so I can no longer recommend them. But what do I recommend? Oliver and I have been loving Thistle. It sounds like I have a lisp. We've been ordering this over the past 2 months, and I have to tell you, I love the flavor profiles much more than Sakara. Honestly, like putting aside all their customer service issues, if I'm just doing a blind taste test, the meals with Thistle are delicious. And when you read a lot of independent reviews, you find the same thing. Thistle wins over Sakara for their flavor. The kicker, they are half price. They are half price. They are half price. I've also had 0 delivery issues with Thistle. They show up the same as Sakara, Monday morning, Thursday morning. It is all plant-based, vegan, non-processed, very delicious, high-quality meals. I've been extremely happy with Thistle. My husband loves them. He actually likes them better than Sakara. The second one, and this is more if you're in Southern California, but we have one right down the street from our home here in Solana Beach. Most all of their meals are plant-based, vegan. So because we didn't receive our Sakara meals yet again, although we were charged for them, let me say, I ran down to Urban Remedy to pick up a few meals for the week. This is their vegan Caesar, which is delicious. I have had this. This is their Mediterranean bowl with quinoa that I've also had. And where's the other one? Wait, I have to show you this one. This one is new, and it is the bomb. Chickpea coconut curry with kale. You would never ever know that this was organic, vegan, yada, yada, yada. It is so decadent tasting and filling and delicious. But I will tell you, Urban Remedy's meals are delicious as well. They also have a very good chocolate chip cookie, I have to tell you. These 2 companies, I am not an affiliate with them. I am not compensated in any way. It is just the reason I do what I do. I share things with you that I love, that I find, regardless of my relationship with the company. For me, it's a matter of integrity, it's a matter of honesty, and it's a matter of like your moral compass to be transparent, straightforward, and to give you a heads up when I have recommended something and I've later changed my mind for very specific, concrete reasons. And I have changed my mind with Sakara. I no longer recommend it. And that's pretty much all I have to say about that. For all things health, wellness, beauty, fitness, style, and healthy living, subscribe to my channel, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.